still 50%. So we never fully breathe out, okay? Do you understand that? That's very urgent. Never fully breathe out. If you're not sure how much 50% is, less is more. So better to 60 or 70% still in your lungs than breathing out too much, okay? So again, clear our mind. Breathe. The next step is we focus on the water within. We have to feel the water inside of our bodies. It flows through us. The water we've been drinking all day. Okay? So we try to focus and feel this water within us, okay? And that way we can try to build a connection to the water we actually want to move. And it doesn't matter if it's in a glass, a bowl, in a bathtub, the rain, it doesn't matter. Today I wanted to show you a trick how you can practice that so you can really see if you actually do hydrokinesis or not. And that's why I'm using this water bottle with the water inside. Okay? So again, we breathe. Make sure our mind is clear. Okay. So to do this trick here, I'm using this water bottle, make sure it's closed. I'm just putting it upside down. Oh, sorry, it doesn't work on the carpet. Let me use this. Perfect. So, upside down so it won't fall. So when we do hydrokinesis on this water bottle, it should fall. So just a little bit of hydrokinesis should drop this water bottle. That's why it's a great beginner exercise for hydrokinesis, okay? So we're focusing on the water within us. Try to build the connection to the water in the bottle, okay? We focus on that connection, the love to the water of ourselves, the bottle, and earth. Focus. Breathe. And when you feel the connection, you can move it. See? Like I said, this is a beginner exercise. That way you can move water and you can see directly that you did it. So it's a very good exercise to practice. So if you have any questions about hydrokinesis, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. And have a good day.